Hey everybody, Mike here from Equity Sense, and we're almost there at the end of the year, and this is sort of my end of year message here before we all take a break going into the Christmas break here. So we've had a very crazy year. I mean, those of you who have traded this year, you've seen the crazy swings up and down. But overall, if you're looking at the S&P or major indices, we're either red for the year or we've really done nothing for the rest of the year. I mean, the S&P 500 index just been hovering around this level, or this range. I mean, between 1900 and 2100 for since February really this year. So overall, I mean, I think what to expect for next year. Either we find a catalyst that will take us, higher and make new highs, or we're definitely going to be running into some huge resistance here, and most likely kind of curl back down for 2016. And as is typical, here at Equity Sense, we always encourage clients to take this break to review their strategies, review their trades, and see which ones actually worked this year and which ones did not. We always get a huge influx of people asking for mentorship and classes for this break. And I encourage all of you guys who aren't clients yet or even aren't students, especially those of you who are still kind of trying to figure out their system, trying to figure out what works, in the trading world, to look into this, right? So the S&P, for example, futures have moved about 80 points just last week alone. So it's something to look at, it's something to consider if you're looking at kind of easing into the trading world. And the instructor-led course we have is about 1550, as you can see in front of you. All these rates will likely increase next year. Um, the video course is only about less than 1,000, so it's something to consider if you are looking at that. It's a very easy introductory course to kind of learn the system that we have for trading the S&P futures, and it's really enough. About 90% of the students that we've had who either go through the video course or even just the instruction course have been able to recover their costs within maybe 5 or 6 trades that we do. So it's something to consider. It's something to be aware of in a trade that you put on. Overall, I think in the next several days here, I hope you guys have a very restful break, and may the season's warmth and happiness continue to embrace you and yours in everything that you do. From all of us here at Equity Sense, I wish all of you, not only clients, but all of you out there who enjoy the things that we do, a very Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year ahead. Okay, Mike out, and take care.